Hello everyone, welcome back to Life of Tarot with me, Kay. And if you are new here, then hello, and please know that you're welcome here amongst friends and like-minded people. I'm really excited about today's video because I just had this delivered this morning, these Star Dragons Oracle cards. So for this month's deck flip through, because I do one a month, I thought I would, open it with you guys and share it with you and my first impressions of it and review and all that kind of thing. Oh, sorry, it's not my camera. So yeah, I'm really excited. I kind of already started to open the plastic before, because otherwise I'd spend 5 minutes trying to get into it. So yeah, I love dragons and anything to do with them, and I was torn between like 4 different dragon decks, but I decided to go with this one. So yeah, I really hope it's good and it's worth it. So it's by Paolo Barbieri. Apologies for the pronunciation, that's probably not how you say it, but yeah, let's get into it. So the box comes with like a little ribbon, the guidebook is first. So let's have a look. It's different languages, that's always good. A little bit about it. So there are 28 full color cards and 5 monochrome cards. That's different. Examples of different spreads. A bit of numerology, because I think it's about like star constellations as well. Different languages. Here we go. Okay, so there's no pictures of the cards, it's just numbered. Okay, so it's just the cards are obviously numbered, and you just find the right number corresponding to it in the deck, in the guidebook. So yeah. I forgot to say as well, on the back of the box it says, "A star in the sky and a dragon in your heart. The artwork of Paolo Barbieri connects humanity to infinity." And this is in plastic as well, just bear with me a moment. This is why I started the original packaging off, because it takes me forever to get plastic off. There we go. Okay. So this is the back of the cards. Very cool. They're a little bit glossy, but it's not too bad actually, because some decks are really glossy, but this one's not too bad. Not too much glare or shine. Cardstock, actually quite thick. I like that. I like thicker cardstocks, and I love borderless cards as well. It's my favourite type of deck when they're borderless. So let's have a look. So we have number 1, so vision. Dominance. Transformation. Wisdom. That's kind of cool. It's got like a little constellation shape in the dragon. Oh wow. This gives me serious Spirited Away vibes. If any of you know Studio Ghibli and that kind of artwork, that that seriously reminds me of Spirited Away. That is so cool. That's a cool card as well, Transcendence. Some of the detail and the artwork on these cards is just awesome. Let me know down in the comments if you have this deck. Apologies if you can hear a motorbike in the background. Yeah, let me know if you have this deck or if you have any other dragon decks, because like I said, I was torn between like 4 different ones. That makes me think of Peter Pan. If any of you are Disney fans, it's kind of like Peter Pan Skull Island. But yeah, I was torn between like 4 different dragon decks, and I spent like a week trying to decide which one to get. I finally went with this one. So, but yeah, I'm liking it so far. I love some of the design choices and the artwork and the colours. And like I said, I absolutely love dragons. I was obsessed with dragons and anything dragon related when I was a child. So I had to have a dragon oracle deck in my collection. That's another really pretty one. Healing. Really like the design. Oh, that's a really, really cute one. Look at that baby dragon. Yeah, I'm really, really liking this deck so far. I think I made the right choice. I'm sure in the future I'll get other dragon decks, because you can never have too many. Although I'm sure my partner would say the opposite. It's kind of like a nature-y one as well. I love the sort of greenery and the nature element of that surrender. It's really cool. Okay, so that was the colour cards. These are now the monochromy ones. So they're numbered. So knowledge, resources, inspiration, time, and space. So yeah, that's a really, really like different concept. I've never seen that before, where, you know, some of the cards are colour and then there's a couple of monochromy ones as well thrown in there. So I will have a thorough look at the guidebook later on and see. I'm sure there's some kind of relevance, you know, or reasoning behind the monochrome. So I look forward to spending the day looking at that and working with this deck and connecting with it. And I will definitely do a video in the future with a reading with these cards, so look out for that. But yeah, I really, really hope you liked, you know, unboxing this with me. And, you know, let me know in the comments what your first thoughts about it are, if you liked it, if you have it, if you have any dragon decks, if you had a favourite card. But yeah, my favourite one was definitely that one. It definitely gives me Spirited Away, like Ghibli vibes. That is just definitely my favourite. It's gorgeous. But yeah. So I hope you like this video. Give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you soon.